Shalom and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining. In today's video, I'll be making a small batch of baby butt diaper cream. I'll be using herbal infused oil. So I infuse the oils with some baby safe herbs like lavender and calendula. And what else? Lavender, calendula. Oh yeah, that's what I have. I usually have chamomile oil, but I don't think I had any ready. And I'll be using beeswax and mango butter and shea butter. And I'll link I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements down below. So, in case anybody wants to do it themselves. So anyways, thank you for joining and stay tuned. I'm gonna try to put the camera a little closer so you're able to see. Okay, let's turn the stove a little bit down. And first things first, we need 30 grams of beeswax. I'm going to be making 8 ounces, so that's 230 grams of diaper cream. 4 ounce, 8 ounce. That's 230 grams. Our beeswax. $30 grams of beeswax. Doesn't have to be exact, but just get as precise as you can. Okay, 30.1. Tear that out. So we're going to need 30 grams of shea butter. I don't think I have enough shea butter, but I have mango butter. Okay, that's 30 grams. Yeah, I do. I do. Okay, yeah. That's 30 grams of shea butter. I didn't have to use the mango butter. What's next? Stir that out. 85 grams. I do have sweet almond oil that's infused in some lavender, so I'll use that. I'll use it if I can open it. There we go. So we need 85 grams. Okay, that's 85 grams of sweet almond and lavender infused oil. And we have some calendula rice and rice bran oil. So pretty, right? But okay, let's use this. I was gonna use the grapeseed that I just poured out, but I guess this could be used for something else. And this is almost finished anyway, so okay, let's use the rice bran and calendula infused. So beautiful. We need 85 grams. Okay, so that's 86 grams, but that's okay. Okay. Next, we're just gonna put it on the stove in the double boiler to let it melt. So it's on medium low. Yeah, medium low. Medium low. Yes, medium low. And I'll be right back once it's all melted. Okay, so our oils, beeswax, butters, they're all melted. Now I'm gonna add some lavender essential oil. You could also use chamomile essential oil, but chamomile. I like saying chamomile. Anyway, I have lavender right now. I think I ran out of chamomile. And about 20, 25 drops. So I use 25 drops. Just mix it up in there. It smells so good. It smells so good. So lavender is gentle enough for the baby skin, baby toddler skin. And my son is 21 months, so I don't think I remember using essential oil on his skin before 6 months. Yeah. We're just gonna transfer it. This looks like it's way too much, but let's see. Look at that. So beautiful. Wow. Look, and it is so easy. So easy to make your own. All done. Wow. Look at that. No fancy equipment. No, none of that. Just so easy and so much safer than the store-bought ones. And you can see it's rather easily. So you see the beeswax it's already starting to solidify. So when it completely solidifies, I'm gonna come back and show you the consistency, like the texture of it. It's not hard, it's like a smooth texture. Okay, so they're fully solidified, all done. So I'm just gonna show you the texture of it, the consistency. See? So soft and smooth. So much safer. If you'd like to see again. Wait, sorry. I can't see that either. Okay. And that's it. That's all it's so easy. Like, use one oil, beeswax, shea butter, or mango butter, and an oil. You know, so it's pretty simple. Thank you guys for watching, and shalom.